Disney on Ice présente Pocahontas. Une aventure palpitante du 26 février au 1er mars au Centre Molson. Pocahontas, un spectacle sur glace magique dans la grande tradition du monde merveilleux de Disney. Au Centre Molson du 26 février au 1er mars. Billets en vente au Centre Molson, admission ou au 790-1245.
just a story about Pocahontas, but about her spirit as well, and the spirit of all people who know that peace and kindness is more valuable than fighting and anger.
Oh, gosh, that's beautiful.
Now, where shall I begin? Oh, I know. Our tale starts far across a mighty ocean, in a bustling seaport in England, where a ship is being prepared for a long, dangerous voyage. A voyage that will bring together the lives of two young people, Pocahontas and John Smith. I'll tell you more about them a little later on. But now, the restless tides of the ocean are signaling that it's time to set sail on this great adventure.
I'm newly apprenticed on this voyage. My name's Thomas, sir.
This way and this way there. Let the governor rule you. So, this way for Sir John Redcliffe.
Here begins. Mind you keep an eye on Thursday for me.
Yes, sir. I'm right on you, sir.
Wouldn't want him dirtied by all the trash hereabouts.
Yes, sir. Come on, sir.
Ah, yes, my fellow citizens. 'Tis a great day for England and all the hardy lads here as we embark on a noble quest to subdue the savage soil of the New World. And the savages themselves, I might add. It is time now, in 1607, we sail for the open sea, for glory, God, and glory, and the Virginia Company. World is like heaven, and all we rich and free. There's nothing quite as long as the Virginia Company. On the beaches of Virginia, there's life like a tree. There's silver in this love, and gold in this burning open tree. You'd all do the same for me. Oh, yes, of course we're going to do it. Absolutely. Trouble on deck. Governor Franklin, it's Thomas, Governor. Thank heavens he's been successfully retrieved. Well done, sir. Thank you, sir. Don't drill the cart, men. It won't be long before we reach the new world. And remember what awaits us there. Freedom, prosperity, the adventure of our lives. You're the finest crew England has to offer, and nothing, no wind, nor rain, nor a thousand gods of disadvantage shall stand in our way. Carry on, men. Germany, Warrington, sir. I'm sure the men will exhilarate the sight. So. I'll need those witless stones to dig up my gold. All right. This new world's going to be great, John. I'm going to get a pile of gold, build me a big house, and if any Indian tries to stop me, I'll blast him. You just worry about that fortune of yours, Thomas. Leave the savages to me. You think they'll give us much trouble? Not as much trouble as Smith will give them. What do you suppose the new world will look like? Like all the others, I suppose. I've seen hundreds of new worlds, Thomas. What could possibly be different about this one?
The wind died down and the ship moved westward towards the new world. But to the people of Powhatan's tribal family, the world was not new, but old and very familiar. And as the moon and the sun flew through the sky, the seasons came and went exactly as the wise ones foretold. And the steady passage of life, all life, was measured from dawn till dusk by the beating of the drum.
someday, Kata. It's good to be home. Just Chile! The Massawomicks are defeated. With the help of our brothers, our villages are safe again. Your return has brought much joy to the village. Look at all the smiling faces. Yes, but there's one smiling face I don't see. Where is my daughter? Nicole, would you seek out Pocahontas and say to her, her father wishes to see her? You know Pocahontas. She has her mother's spirit. She goes wherever the wind takes her. Yes, the wind. Seeing you gives me great joy.
I'm so glad you come home safely.
And now, my people, I will tell the story of our victory. A victory with much honor, for we faced a determined enemy. The battle lasted from the rising of the sun until the evening shadows fell. Our warriors fought with courage, but none as bravely as Coco. Something exciting is about to happen.
Really? What is it?
Coco has asked to seek your hand in marriage.
Marry Coco?
I told him it would make my heart soar.
But he's so serious.
My daughter, Coco will make a fine husband. He is loyal and strong, will build you a good house with sturdy walls. With him, you will be safe from harm.
Father, I think my dream is pointing me down another path.
This is the right path for you.
But why can't I...
Pocahontas, you are the daughter of the chief. It is time to take your place among our people. Even the wild mountain stream must someday join the big river. As the river cuts his path, choose the smoothest course. That's why rivers live so long. They're steady as the steady beating drum. Your mother wore this for our wedding. It was her dream to see you wear it at your own. It suits you.
He wants me to be steady, like the river. But it's not steady at all. Oh, Nico. You're lucky your life is so simple. For you, the stream runs straight and true. And for you, Flint, you need no stream at all. Oh, if only you could tell me of my dreams. Pocahontas! Where are you? Come on, it's Nicole. She's back, Flint. Come on, Nico. Oh, you're playing tricks again. What are you doing? Wait. Your father, what did he tell you? He has plans, but the problem is, they're not my plans. Nico, stop it. Nico, stop. Don't play with that. You're thinking again. It's about the dream, isn't it? Well, have you figured it out yet? My father has, but I know it means something else. I just don't know what. Well, maybe the river has the answer. I'm going back. Yes, Nicola. Maybe the river does have the answer. What I love most about rivers is you can't step in the same river twice. The water's always changing, always full of waves. With that's what I wanted to talk to you about. My father wants me to marry Coco.
Coco, but he's so serious.
I know. My father thinks it's the right path for me. But lately, I've been having this dream and I think
Oh, a dream. Let's hear all about it.
well, I'm running through the woods, and then right there in front of me is an arrow. As I look at it, it starts to spin. It spins faster and faster and faster until suddenly it stops.
Well, seems to me this spinning arrow is pointing you down your path.
But Grandmother Willow, what is my path? How am I ever going to find it?
Your mother asked me the very same question.
She did. What did you tell her?
I told her to listen. All around you are spirits, child. They live in the earth, the water, the sky. If you listen, they will guide you.
I hear the wind.
Yes, what is it telling you?
I don't understand.
You will understand. Listen with your heart. You will understand. Let it break upon you like a wave upon the sand.
doing up there? Getting a better look. The red lights slipped, don't they? I've never been a popular man. I like you. And don't think I don't know what those backstabbers at court say about men. Oh, yes, that talk about being a pathetic social climber who fails everything's track. I'm very well aware that this is my last chance for glory. But mark my words, Wiggins, when King James sees the gold these peasants order, success will be mine at last. It's food. Well, sort of. You like it, eh? I'll try eating it for 4 months straight. You got a friend back there? John, you better get back to the ship. The governor's going to put up the flag. All right. I'm leaving. Pale and sickly. They have hair on their faces like dogs. My brothers, we must know more about these visitors. Picata, what do you see? These are not men like us. The strange beasts with bodies that shine like the sun, and weapons that spout fire and thunder. They prowl the earth like ravenous wolves, consuming everything in their path. Great Tarleton, I will lead our warriors to the river and attack. We will destroy these invaders, the way we destroyed the Thessalonians. Coco, in that battle we knew how to fight our enemy, but these pale visitors are strange to us. Take some men to the river to observe them. Let us hope they do not intend to stay. It appears I selected the perfect location, Dr. Savage, just because we don't see them doesn't mean they're not out there, sir. Well, then perhaps you should venture forth and determine their whereabouts. Yes, sir. If there are any Indians out there, I'll find them. Now, gentlemen, to work. Bring up the shovels. It's time to start digging. Digging? Well, of course. Let's not forget what the Spanish found when they came to the New World. Gold. Mountains of it. Why, for years they've been ravaging the New World of its most precious resources. But now, it's our turn. The gold of the pits, the jewels of Pizarro, will seem like mere trinkets by this time tomorrow. The gold we find here, the dwarf, my son, oh, with all you got in your boys, dig up Virginia, boys, mine have been found, and dig, boys, dig till you can't grab a pig, boys, quick, boys, shovel in a shovel, uncover those rubbery pebbles that sparkle and shine. It's gold, and it's mine.
This is how we say hello. Wingapo.
Wingapo.
And how we say goodbye. Ana.
I like hello better.
Rico!
Come on, you got at it. Hey, what are you doing?
Rico, what's that?
No, it's all right. You can keep it. Call it a gift.
What was that?
My compass.
Compass?
It tells you how to find your way when you get lost. But it's all right. I'll get another one in London.
London? Is that your village?
Yes, it's a very big village.
What's it like?
Well, it's got streets filled with carriages, bridges over the rivers, and buildings as tall as trees.
I'd like to see those things.
You will.
How?
We're going to build them here. We'll show your people how to use this land properly, how to make the most of it.
Make the most of it.
Yes, we'll build roads and decent houses and...
How houses are fine.
You think that, only because you don't know any better. Well, wait a minute. Don't take it. Hey. There's so much we can teach you. We've improved the lives of savages all over the world.
Savages?
Not that you're a savage.
Just my people.
No. Listen, that's not what I meant. Let me explain that.
Let go.
No, I'm not letting you leave. Look, don't do this. Savage is just a word. A term for people who are uncivilized.
Like me.
Well, when I say uncivilized, what I mean is...
What you mean is, not like you. You think I'm an ignorant savage, and you've been so many places, I guess it must be so. But still I cannot see, if the savage one is me, how can there be so much that you don't know? You don't know.
and have taken the first step towards discovering the harmony that's possible between different people. But elsewhere in the forest, others of the old and new world are being caught up in different, more dangerous feelings. Feelings of fear, mistrust, and anger. There is trouble in the wind. Great trouble.
Something wrong, John? What? You've been awfully quiet the last few days. Anything again? Nothing but rocks and dirt, sir. How long are we going to keep digging like this, sir? We're slaving away, busting the backs day and night. Oh, keep them country, I know, and I'll show you, Wiggins? Wiggins? Coming! This was that is a good doggy. Good doggy. Big boy.
You could belong here.
What was that?
Did you see something?
No. I just, I didn't see anything. Did I?
Look again.
That tree is talking to me.
Then you should talk back. Don't be frightened, young man. My bark is worse than my bite. Say something.
What do you say to a tree?
Anything you want.
So,
Come closer, John Smith. He has a good soul, and he's handsome too.
oh, I like her.
I knew you would.
Smith! Smith! Where are you, man? We can't let them see it.
Over here.
This place gives me the creeps. Savages could be hiding anywhere. Aye, well, if you spot one, don't ask questions. Just shoot. What you beat me off? It wasn't me. It was the tree. Oh, of course. The tree just felt like lifting its roots. Let's get out of here. What about Smith? Get away himself. I'd better get back before they send a whole camp out after me.
When will I see you again?
How about tonight? Right here.
I'll be waiting.
Well, I haven't had this much excitement in 200 years.
What am I doing here? I shouldn't be seeing him again. I mean, I want to see him again.
Who wouldn't? I want to see him again.
Still, something inside is telling me it's the right thing.
Perhaps it's your dream.
My dream. Do you think this could be my path? Pocahontas, are you crazy? What were you doing with one of them?
Pocahontas. Look at them. Now to destroy those white demons. We will defeat this enemy. Smith! Where have you been? I was out scouting the terrain, sir. Excellent. Then you must believe these whereabouts. We'll need that information for the battle.
Father, I need to speak with you.
Not now, my daughter. The council is gathering. We will eliminate these senators once and for all. No, you can't do that. Oh, can't I?
We don't have to fight them. There must be a better path.
Sometimes our paths are chosen for us. Look, we don't have to fight them. John's coming to you.
But maybe we should try talking to them.
They do not want to talk. They're not savages. They can help us. They know the land. They know how to navigate the rivers.
But if one of them did want to talk, you would listen to him, wouldn't you?
Pocahontas.
Wouldn't you?
Of course I would. But it is not that simple. Nothing is simple anymore. He's got all gold, and they'll do anything to keep it. But there is no gold. No gold? Lie! All on it! There's no room for that kind in civilized society. But this is their land. This is my land. I make the laws here. And I say, anyone who so much as looks at an Indian without killing him on sight will be tried for treason and hanged.
Pocahontas, don't go out there. I lied for you once. Don't ask me to do it again. I have to do this. If you go out there, you'll be turning your back on your own people. I'm trying to help my people.
Follow him. Yes, Governor. I want to know where he's sneaking off. Yes, sir. And if you happen to see any Indians, shoot them. Well, Thomas, you've been a slipshod sailor and a poor excuse for a soldier. Don't disappoint me again. to.
I can't. I was wrong, Grandmother Willow. I followed the wrong path. I feel so lost. It's the spinning arrow.
It's the arrow from your dream. It's not too late, child. Let the spirits of the earth guide you. You know your path. Now, follow it.
Pocahontas,
John,
listen to me. My men are planning to attack your people. You've got to warn them.
maybe it's not too late to stop this. You have to come with me and talk to my father.
Pocahontas, talking isn't going to do any good. I already tried talking to my men. But everything about this land has them spooked.
That's the strangest creature I've ever seen.
You see what I mean? Those two sides want to fight, nothing can stop them.
Enough to make your sad boil. Now then, there's something I want to show you. Look. The ripples.
What about them?
So small at first. Then look how they grow. But someone has to start them.
They're not going to listen to us.
Young man, sometimes the right path is not the easiest one. Don't you see? Only when the fighting stops can you be together.
All right. Let's go talk to your father. He was only trying to protect me. Get out of there! Who did this? Pocahontas was out in the woods. Coco, I want to find her, and this white man attacked them.
Your weapons are strong, but now our anger is stronger. At sunrise, he will be the first to die. Take him away.
My father!
I told you to stay in the village. You disobeyed me. You have shamed your father.
I was only trying to help.
Because of your foolishness, Coco is dead.
Help! Somebody help! 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 Easy, lad. What is it? It's Smith. They got him. The savages. Savages? They captured him. Dragged him off. Where did they take him? They headed north. How many were there? I don't know. At least a dozen. Filthy beasts. Ratcliffe was right. It's perfect, Williams. I couldn't have planned this
They're only good with dead. They're vermin and they said, and worse. They're savages. Barely even human. Savages. Drive them from our shore. They're not like you and me. Which means they must be evil. We must come from war. The only thing they feel at all is greed. We need that milky high, there's emptiness inside. I wonder if they even bleed. They're savages, they're even human savages. Killers at the core, they're useless for us, which means they can't be trusted. We must sound the drums of war. How From this day forward, if there is to be more killing, it will not start with me. Release him.
No, I can't. No. What? They let him go. They don't want to fight.
It's a trick, don't you see?
Fire! Fight, son of a bitch.
No!
John! You shot him!
He stepped right into it. It's his own fault.
Smith was right all along. We never should have listened to you. How did he get away?
Unhand me, I come.
What did he change?
I've seen you all right on this.
And gagged him as well. And he came so highly recommended.
Has he got to make it, Thomas? Sooner he gets back to England, the better. Well, let's hope the wind is with him.
Going back is his only chance. He'll die if he stays here. Here, it's from Grandmother Willow's bark. It'll help with the pain.
What pain? I've had worse pain than this. Can't think of any right now. You are always welcome among our people.
Thank you.
My brother. Come, Lily. You must choose your own path.
I'm needed here.
Then I'll stay with you.
No, you have to go back.